Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In today's video, we would see details about Pakistan getting the first indigenously developed Hull Khalid 1 main battle tank. On July 28, 2020, the Pakistan Army inducted the upgraded Hull Khalid main battle tank in the Armored Corps Regiment. The handing over ceremony of the tank, which is an upgraded version of the Hull Khalid tank, was held at Heavy Industries Taxila, which is the largest state owned manufacturer of defense products. According to the defense sources, the Hull Khalid 1 will replace its previous version, which is the Hull Khalid, and as of 2017, there are 415 such tanks in service with the Pakistani Army. So let us see more details about this particular tank of Pakistan. The upgraded variant of Hull Khalid, which is Hull Khalid 1, has an ammunition capacity increased and it incorporates various modifications made to the fire control system, which is now a more advanced multi-process fire control tank. Not just that, even the engagement range has been improved, which is up to 3.5 kilometers. Coming to other improvements or enhancements, the digital driver panel, the side skirts, the track pads have also been changed or upgraded. The rate of fire has been increased to 9 rounds per minute. This upgraded version of tank is fitted with Ukrainian KMDB 6TD-2 6-cylinder diesel engines, which produces 1200 horsepower. Even the electro-optical jammer is from Ukrainian. The Sagem's third generation thermal imagers and improved air conditioning system is something more which we can mention here. The Hull Khalid tank has a modular composite armor and explosive reactive armor. Not just that, this tank also has an overpressure nuclear biological chemical defense system, an effective thermal smoke generator, internal fire extinguisher, and explosion suppression systems. The Hull Khalid 1 is fairly lightweight compared to other Western tanks, weighing up to 46 to 50 tons. A power to weight ratio of 26.6 horsepower per ton gives an acceleration from 0 to 32 km per hour in just 10 seconds. This tank consists of a mast mounted sensor and operator's control box, which includes a display showing threads 360 degrees around the tank. It can also detect laser rangefinders and laser target designators and responds automatically by triggering the acoustic alarms or smoke generators. So it is good to see even Pakistan making such indigenous tanks, and this was a quick update on the same. We also saw various characteristics and the enhancements which has been done to the upgraded Hull Khalid, which is the Hull Khalid 1 tank. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.